I wanted to talk to you about why Young Living is the best and why choosing a brand is a very important decision. Young Living believes that you and your family deserve products that are genuine, free of harmful synthetics, and of unmatched purity. Seed to Seal is the promise to you that Gary Young, who is the founder of Young Living, committed so that your family could have the very best. From the seeds that we plant to the moment we seal the bottles, we are focusing on naturally occurring and high quality components to provide you with a pristine final product that has no compromises. The Seed to Seal guarantee is something that no other company has. This is exclusive to Young Living. And Gary Young, can I just say, is amazing. I've had the pleasure to meet him twice and hear him speak on multiple occasions. I've walked across the stage in front of 20,000 people and shook his hand as well as Mary's hand and gave them a great big hug. They are real people, and the passion that they have for essential oils and making sure that your family is getting the best is unreal and unheard of. I mean, they are just phenomenal people. I was in love with the company, and then last September I earned a retreat. I went on a silver retreat trip out to Mona, Utah, and that was one of the occasions that I met Gary. After that trip, I don't know, I mean, it was amazing. It was like a life-changing trip for me. The company I just fell in love with all over again. I didn't think it was possible to love them anymore, and then I went to convention in June, and again, I was just absolutely blown away, and I wish so much that you all could experience that. One thing that is so awesome is that our fields and our farms are open to the public. If anybody wants to go ahead. I have been to the Mona, Utah lavender farm twice, and it is like heaven on earth. If they would have like some cocoa beans and making chocolate, it would be heaven on earth. Okay, it is beautiful. There's mountains in the backgrounds. The staff is amazingly kind and friendly. It is beautiful. I have a picture, I'll post that in the comments, from my September trip last year, and then I'll post another picture from this past June, and you may have already seen it. It's on my profile picture. It's of me jumping in the lavender fields, and I wish so badly that that picture wasn't taken on my phone, because I want to like blow it up huge and put it on my office wall, because it just makes me so incredibly happy every time that I see it. It reminds me of Young Living and their vision and how genuine Gary Young is, and how he wants only the best for the families that are using his products. So look at seedtoseal.com, and just really please do your research. Research your essential oils, and you will find out yourself that Young Living is the very best that there is.